and this is Parth, and we have a machine which is Funbox Lunchbreaker. So find it in this machine vulnerability. This is the vulnerable machines I have downloaded from the vulnhub.com, which we exploit this machine. Now here you can see uh, kalilinux IP address is 103 and our vulnerable IP address is 104. So let's jump into our terminal here. Okay. So this is my terminal. We first step is our reconnaissance, finding open ports from the machines, which we helps to finding the informations about machine. So trying to nmap here and typing our vulnerable IP address and hit enter. So nmap is working on the finding the open ports and the finding the versions of all the ports. So here you can see nmap command is here, and here you can see 21 port is open, which is a FTP port, and here is the version. So now let's check it some of the informations in this here. Here you can see in the FTP port has the super secret file and WordPress file. Okay, so first we log in into the FTP file and then check it out the file, and then next we have our port 22, which is a SSH port, and open SSH here, and Ubuntu version is here, and next port we have a port 8. So this port is running on the browsers, and with using the you can also wget using wget you find the informations about the this port. So here is the Apache server is running on the backend, and Apache versions here. So now let's first copy this and paste into our notes. So here is the notes which we have to now we have put all the informations in these notes, and I will share these notes in the comment section. So now we have the all the informations. Let's first we recon this here port 80. So now we go to the browser and typing the 104 our vulnerable IP address. So here you can see some of the picture is here, which is normal pictures. So we're trying to go to the view source page here, and here is the image src is here, which is a jpg which we find into the web browser port. So like here any informations here. Okay, so here you can see information is here, which is more likely copy this informations here from the here, and okay, copy this and paste into our notes. So here you can see like web designed by J Miller, and Jenny is the our user at the funbox8.ctf. So our Jenny is our user. So let's find it out some information about Jenny. First we trying to FTP port in the first was this, and here our terminal. Okay, so first we trying to FTP in the anonymous, and password we have no password, so login successful here. We're trying to ls here. Here is two files, which is a secrets, super secret and WordPress. So get this super secret file into our directory. Go to the directory and getting this file, which is catch super secret here. Here is some algorithms is here, which is encrypted is here. So let's move it into the second side of this here. Exit from the. So now what we trying to do? Like we have the username. So trying to finding the username's password of FTP file transfer protocol password. So now we're trying to Hydra on the Jenny. Okay. So trying to finding the FTP passwords of Jenny. Hit enter, and Hydra is working on the passwords like Jenny's password is here. This is a simple password. Password is password. So let's trying to here. Okay. So let's trying to jump it into the FTP on this again FTP on the 104, and we have a user and we have a password, which is a password. Hit enter, login successfully. First clear all this. Okay, it's not valid. So here is the backups file is here. So now move into the home directory here, ls here, and here you can see here there is a users is here, for user is here. This helps to finding these users passwords and all that. So there is a into our notes, and okay, so these all users are here, which have to find this users name and sorry passwords. Okay, all the users passwords. So finding starting with the gym, exit from here, clear this, and go to the gym FTP, sorry hydra. In the gym, hit enter, finding the FTP password of gym. So here you can see gym password is here. So let's copy this and paste it over here. We have the gym's passwords. Now we're trying to on the John. Gym's FTP protocol, which is a gym, and password is 12345. It's the so big passwords of FTP. So you must be have one uppercase, one lowercase, and numeric, one alphabet. Must be input in your password so strong your password. So now we're trying ls here. Okay, directory is okay. That's ls here, and we have a directory which is a best logout profile net and .ssh. So we're trying to go to the .ssh directory here, ls here, and there is a two files which is authorized keys and IDRSA, which is not useful for us. So now exit from here, clear this, and go here. Okay, there is no passwords of John. To the passwords of Julius. Password of Julius. So trying to copy this and paste into our notes for the our remembered passwords and users. So now we're trying trying to FTP login into the Julius, and password is a sexy lady. Render, we are logging successfully. ls-la here, trying to ls-la here. So here is the backup files here. So trying to opening this backup files folder, which is a render ls here. Okay, so trying to ls-la here. Here you can see .bad passwords and .good passwords is here, and .forbidden and very bad passwords. So we're trying to do bad and good password. So trying to getting this password file, which is a .bad passwords. Okay, which is password. Okay, why I'm telling this here? WD only. Hit enter and trying. Okay, so we are getting these files. Trying to put here passwords as okay. That's not the words. Okay, okay. So two files in our directory. So first we exit from here and clear this Hydra. Again we trying the Hydra, but not trying into the FTP. We trying the Hydra into the SSH here. So change this FTP, which is the SSH here, and trying to on the John. Okay, and our password is .bad passwords. File is here. Is .bad password, and trying to hit enter. And